Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 15. The second point has x equals 15, and y equals 2.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 15, the run is 13. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 15 to y equals 2, the rise is negative 13.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 13 over 13, which simplifies to negative 1. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is negative 1, x1 is 2, and y1 is 15.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.